Day in the life of an entrepreneur who makes 100K a month. Let's get it. I woke up today to $1,368, and it's only 10:04 a.m. So I woke up kind of late, but it is a Saturday, so I do what I want. But yeah, today is an exciting day because your boy is going back to his hometown in Virginia. But that's like later tonight, so my flight's at 9, so I gotta be at the airport by 7. I absolutely hate flights. If you don't know me, I'm an introvert. I hate crowds of people, and planes and flights are just one of those things where you're stuck with a bunch of crowded people. And yeah, I could probably fly private, but do I want to fly private every time I'm going back to Virginia? No, not financially the best thing for me to do. With that being said, let's get to it. Let's go. Much better, but I had to pack. Hopefully this mic's working. Time to pack, ignore the messy room. How you do anything is how you do everything. I still believe that. Maybe not the room. Actually, not. What am I saying? I'm contradicting myself. Anyways, ignore that. Let's get this started. We're taking the carry-on bag today. So I really only wear 2 shirts, not gonna lie. The classic black linen shirt and my white linen shirt. And then maybe I'll bring some other ones, not sure. Maybe a little backup. Put that over here. Boom. These light blue jeans with my white shirt is what my friends make fun of me for, called the Renzo fit. If any of you guys wanna look fresh as hell, white linen shirt, light blue jeans, that's all you need. The white Gymshark shorts, a must. Same thing here, black Gymshark tank top, also a must. I'll bring some more linen shirts just in case. Okay, so I'm gonna be there Sunday to Thursday. I'm gonna be there for 5 days. 6 underwears, 6 pair of socks. 6 pairs of underwear, good to go. All right, jackets, I'll just bring my big puffy jacket so I look like the tire man. I gotta pack up the DJI camera, pack, tripod, backup battery, SD card reader, DJI mics, backpack, laptop over here, 4 different chargers. Gotta bring the pen and paper to make sure your mental health is good. Journaling every day. Got the gym shoes. Gotta bring these bad boys. Gotta take a little Dramamine just so that I don't feel nauseous on the plane, because I get very flight sick every time I fly. Sometimes I don't like traveling just for flights, but we gotta do it. Next up, gotta get the toiletries going on. Get one of these man on the go packs so you don't have to get a checking bag. Toothpaste, toothbrush, shampoo, shaver, shaving cream, some deodorant. Also got my contact solution so your boy's not blind. Tongue scraper, definitely need that. Okay, I think that's all I need. Face wash, toner, serum, moisturizer, sunscreen. I'm gonna just hope and pray that I have everything. So, we'll see. Trying to think about if I forgot anything else. It's always kind of intimidating traveling. Okay, I think I got everything. Final result, as you see here. Got all the clothes packed up here. Got my toiletries, my supplements, and my gym shoes over there. And obviously, I'm gonna be wearing my jacket and my everyday shoes. So I think we are good. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I didn't forget anything. We are good to go. Got the backpack, got the carry-on. Don't mind my no-show socks, and just called my Uber. Goodbye, beautiful apartments, my FX3s. I will see you guys in 5-6 days.
Anytime I go travel, she's always like, be careful, there's bad people in the world. And I'm like, yes, Harmony.
Yeah. So my flight's at 9 o'clock. It's 3:40, so we have about 5 hours. So Allison, what and where are we going?
Right now he wants Chipotle, even though he eats it every day. Yeah. Or you used to eat it every day. He's been cooking more.
Love the burb life. Let's see all the stuff I gave Allison in this room. That's mine. Mine.
What? I bought this.
Mine. No, I'm just kidding.
Bought this is my
I'm just
money.
kidding. Mine. 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 And mine. Basically, we hit a photo booth every time we see one.
Oh shoot, why is it so bright?
Let's see. Yay! What do we got? Nice. American Eagle is where I used to shop back when I had no money. But yeah, I used to wear their Henley t-shirts back in the day. This was the OG spot back in high school for me. Also, back in high school, I applied to be, I forgot what the role was, but some type of job in American Eagle. And let's say your boy did not pass the interview. I wasn't charismatic back then to pass it, but that's okay. Just wrapped up hanging out at the mall, so we got to get going to my flight, so up to the airport. Luckily, your boy has clear and TSA pre, a little combo, as always. It's probably gonna take me like 2 minutes to get through security, so come with me. All right, I'm a whole ass hour early. Boarding is 8:35. With this hour to kill, I'm just gonna listen to some Alex Hormozy. I realize I've been listening so much the past probably 2 years that I made it all the way back to December 12th, 2022, which basically means I listened to every single podcast episode for the past 2 years. Kind of crazy. And so we'll see how long this takes to actually finish the entire podcast. Looks like I still have 472 episodes to go before I go through everything. Gotta keep learning, gotta keep improving, and understand how to keep growing to hit $1 million a month and beyond. So we'll get to it, and I don't think I have anything else to do, so let's go. All right, about to board pretty soon, but a couple exciting things I just checked on my phone. My student Daniel Kim landed a $3,000 client with a 20% rev share, which averages around $3 to $4K a month. Shout out my student Daniel Kim, killing it. And so he's a user of my drop service software, which basically the whole point of it is to earn a full-time income from home. Just type messages on your phone, and you make money pretty much every single month, monthly recurring profit. Just like Daniel Kim is making about $3 to $4K a month just from one client. So if you are interested in getting results like Daniel and just being able to earn a full-time income from home, type messages on your phone, just check out the link in my description. I have a whole free training breaking down exactly how to do it and how to use my drop service software, which you can literally try out for $1. And again, all the sauce is in that free training, which is in the link in my description. So just check out the link in my description, and let's keep going. Number 2 is I just saw my YouTube close someone for $939. $697 plus 97 plus 145. Do the math, $939 right there. And that's without a sales rep, a phone closer, or a DM closer. It was just my YouTube and my website, which is pretty fucking cool, considering like 95% of my traffic is all through Instagram. Just landed, a little flight sick, not gonna lie. Took some Dramamine, so not terrible. It's always a different vibe to be back in my hometown of Virginia. Almost brings me back to like my childhood. I mean, it should, obviously because I grew up here, but sometimes I feel like I revert back to my prior version of myself before I made all this progress, being an entrepreneur and, you know, being a leader, influential, all of that. Sometimes you can't help but revert back, especially when you're in an environment that it reminds you of your prior self. So I'm gonna do my best these next 5 days to stick with the version that I see myself as, not who I used to be when I grew up. It's always a good feeling getting to see the parents, my sister, my dog Cody. I'm excited. 5-day break from all the chaos and all the fast-paced life of Chicago. So looking forward to it. All right, looks like my dad is here.
All right,
See ya.
Good to see you.
All right, Dad, real question. Have you been watching the YouTube videos?
I didn't watch the latest one today.
Yeah, I'm just kidding. We just made it back. Oh, something fell. Hello. Hello. Whoa, Cody. Hello. I see you're cooking for me at midnight. Thank you. Back home. And this is the boy Cody. Check it. Your boy looked extra fresh, grown up. Best part about being at home too is home cooked meals. No need for Chipotle anymore when you got mom's cooking instead. Alright, let's see the childhood bedroom. Yes, sir. Welcome to the bedroom I grew up with. It has stars on it that's kind of peeled off. Got a little interesting Hufflepuff guy. All right, about to head off to bed, but you know the drill. Official numbers for the day: $2,836. Pretty decent day considering I was just with my girlfriend and was traveling all day. If you are interested in learning how I'm able to make all this money without doing much work, I just made a free course breaking down exactly how I made $2 million profit just type messages on my phone. Now you could do it too, or make like 3 to 4K a month from home if you want. It's on YouTube. Check out this playlist right here and get a pen and paper out because it's gonna be saucy. So again, check out this playlist and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.